Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing two different interest surveys on Ohio Means Jobs. Interest surveys are great for people to be able to look at their interests and see if they line up with the jobs that they're interested in the future. Now, sometimes if you know what you want to do, the interest surveys can help make sure that your interests line up with those job paths, or it can possibly give you some other career fields that would be similar that maybe you never thought of. If you're one of those people who have no idea what they want to do in the future, and that's okay, this can help give you some ideas of some paths that you may want to look into to explore for possible careers in the future. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go to ohiomeansjobs.com. And then once you get there, you can go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to click on the little bird with the graduation cap that says K through 12 students. So all of this information is for students, and so we're going to be looking at under Explore It. Now, if you want to sign in, if you remember your sign-in information from probably junior high, you can go ahead and do that. You don't really have to for this assignment, or if you've never logged in, you can create an account, and that will save your information. But again, for this assignment, you really don't have to do that. So under Explore It, the first interest survey that we're going to do is a career cluster inventory. And that career cluster inventory is going to give you information about which career clusters or which career paths might be the best ones for you. Once you get there, you're going to go ahead and click Get Started. And it gives you the directions. Basically, for each statement, you're going to decide if you like that very much, like it, not sure, or dislike. Go ahead and click the Start button, and you'll go through each one. For example, go fishing. Is that for you? Is that something you like very much, like, not sure, or dislike? And then you'll go through and answer each of those questions. Once you get done, it will give you some results that look like this, and it will show you for each of the career clusters your score. So hopefully the ones that are in your top are ones that probably align to things that you enjoy doing. They may be great career paths for you. You're going to use this information here in this chart to fill in the worksheet that you will be provided. Note that these are in order of your interests. On the worksheet, it's in alphabetical order, so make sure you're looking at that. And you're going to star your top 3 choices on the worksheet. If you have a tie, like I have a 4-way tie right here, you can go ahead and mark each one of those. You don't have to figure out which is the best. So you may have more than 3 that you star. Now, if you want to find out more information about any of those career clusters, you can click on that name, and it'll show you some different job opportunities in that career cluster. Ones that need a bachelor's degree, ones that need a master's degree. If I go back, looking at construction, there are different careers fields there as well that show up with bachelor's degree, high school diploma, less than a high school diploma, what kind of jobs you can be looking at. All right, now the second career inventory that we're going to look at, if you go back under Explore It, you will look for the career profile. Again, you're going to click Continue, and it should give you directions. Mine, I must be signed in here, has my information there. If it does have information there, you can just hit change your answers, and you might see that if you're signed in and you've done this before, you probably just want to read through that and check your answers and make sure that they still apply. Once you get done answering those questions, you are going to find a result. There's a pie chart that'll give you for the different categories what your score would be. And then, so again, you're going to record that on your worksheet. And then at the bottom of the worksheet, it talks about occupations. So you're going to click View Occupations. And it's going to give occupations that are good for you based on that information. Now, the one thing I always say that you probably want to change is where it says level of effort, it says low. So you're just getting low level effort level jobs. If you change that to all, it's going to give you more information about a lot of different jobs that look at your profile. So go ahead and click all and then update. And then it gives you all kinds of jobs here. Scan through those, find things that are of interest to you. Again, if you click on them, they're going to give you more information. It also gives your pay range on those jobs as well. For your worksheet, you're going to pick any 5 that seem of interest to you. Write the job name and the average pay. I would encourage you to click on some of the jobs, look at the information, get an idea, especially if you're not really sure what you want to do. This gives a lot of information about different jobs. And if you click on all of these tabs, it's going to give you more information about that pay, looking at what the top 10% is, medium, bottom 10%, personality traits, skills that you would need for that job. And so there's a lot of information there that you could explore. So if you have any questions as you're working, please ask and let me know. This is a good opportunity to learn and see what different jobs are out there, what the jobs entail, and how much they pay, and see if that really aligns to what you want in your future. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you guys again later.